Today we're going to make a spring bulb garden for inside. Hi, I'm Carrie from Ashcombe, and today I'm going to help you create a spring flowering bulb garden for inside. There's no denying spring is around the corner when pansies and violas start showing up in the greenhouse. Primrose and a few bulbs are starting to emerge as well, and together they can make the perfect gift or centerpiece. Once the weather warms up, you can plant everything outside to enjoy again next year. For more helpful growing tips, check out our other videos like planting houseplants or creating a terrarium.